Let's connect your AI agent to the on-chain world in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Get your Onchain OS API key. Head over to the OKX Web3 portal at web3.okx.com. In the top menu, find Onchain OS, click Developer, navigate to API Key Management. First, you need to connect your wallet. Select your address and confirm the pop-up. This verifies your ownership, which is crucial since your agents will be interacting directly with the assets inside this wallet. Next, find your email and phone number to secure the account. Then click Create API Key. Give it a name and set a strong password. You will receive an API key, a secret key, and a passphrase. Save these immediately and store them offline. Anyone with these keys can access your wallet. Do not screenshot them and never share them in a public chat. Step 2. Create a folder and store your keys locally inside a .env file. Open your folder inside the terminal by right-clicking on it and navigate to New Terminal at Folder. Launch your favorite agent and prompt it to create a .env file with your 3 key variables inside this folder and add it to the .getignore file. This creates a secure hidden file for your credentials and automatically adds it to getignore, ensuring that even if you push code to GitHub, your keys never leak. If you can't see the .env file and .getignore, click Shift plus Command plus period to show the hidden files in your Finder. Open the file, paste in your actual keys, save, and close. Step 3. Install Onchain OS Skills. Ask your agent to run this quick installation command. Your AI agent is now supercharged with full on-chain capabilities. It can manage your wallet, read live market data, and execute trades on your behalf. Let's do a quick test. Ask your agent to show you trending tokens. If it pulls live cross-chain data, your connection is successful. Now let's see what Onchain OS analytic features can really do in practice. Your agent can now instantly pull holder distribution directly from the blockchain, analyze wallets, trending tokens inside top-performing wallets, and more. Tasks that usually require expensive analytics software are now 1 sentence away. Let's buy $5 worth of a trending token. Please note, on-chain transactions are irreversible. Always start with small amounts to build your confidence. Let's set up a fully automated take profit and stop loss. Your agent will monitor the blockchain and auto-execute when your conditions are met. Highly complex tasks, like setting up a sniper bot, take only seconds with Onchain OS. That's it. Your AI is now a fully capable on-chain agent ready to navigate the decentralized web. OKX Onchain OS will link your agent to over 60 blockchains and 500 dexes. Everything your OKX wallet can do, your agent can too.